Tonight we're going to have something very simple. It's pasta night, aglio olio, salmon with vermicelli. I choose vermicelli. It's a tad thinner than your usual spaghetti, and it cooks in 6 minutes. So cooking spaghetti is very crucial that you stick to the time. So the water is boiling, so I'm going to add salt. Okay. You notice that I use quite luxurious amount of salt. There are three of us. Oh. However, I do need to remind myself one thing. That is to time myself. So I need to get some sort of a timer. That should be enough for three of us. It's got a lot. It's cooking pasta tonight. We have 10 seconds to go. Okay, the water is boiling, and I think that should be done. Okay. Stop the heat. Now you notice. Okay, time's up. I have to do this very fast, not to overcook the pasta. We're going to stop the cooking. Very important. Otherwise, you're going to have really soggy pasta. I'm going to stop the cooking. Cold water running through. Okay. You stop the cooking, it should be alright. You notice that pasta, to soak up some water, don't worry about it, because we're going to do something with the pasta a bit later on. Okay? Back to our kitchen. So I'm going to prepare the fish. Let's fire up the pan. Okay. I'm just going to use clove of garlic. Garlic. Now, okay, let's start with see some moisture in the pan. Oh, let's take our. We're going to put our fish flesh down first. Okay. I'm just going to do a very simple. What is this? Pepper, black pepper, or probably a dash of white as well. Love to have that combination of black and white pepper. Okay. And salt. And let's put a bit of olive oil. And we're going to shear this flesh down first. Flesh down first. So on top, more salt, okay. Black pepper, of course. How about the black pepper? So, garlic. Do you think it's time for us to put in the capers, Rita?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Okay, Rita loves capers, so capers. Okay, capers. Sweet. Ooh, look at that. Just shrivel up. So the skin just sort of shrivel up like that. But anyway, add in butter. And throw in more butter in there. Butter. And I'm going to juice this up. What I'm going to do now is to pop this into the oven. Okay, I preheated the oven already, and this should go in the oven for the next 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, here we go. In the oven. Oh, there you go. Ooh, we're going to use a lot of oil for this one. Okay, now this is Aglio olio, so a lot of olive oil. Basically, mine is quite simple recipe. Olive oil, a lot. You're not going to heat it too much, so see, and garlic. Okay, done. Off it goes into that. Look, folks over here like it a bit spicy, so it's chili flake. That's it. I'm going to cut down the heat. Turn it off. And here we go. Salt, pepper, black pepper. Okay, a little bit, not too much. White pepper, also a bit. Just dust it off. Okay, Okay, that's our aglio. Making sure we got everything out. It's very simple. Spaghetti, and this goes into the dining table. Ooh. Turn off the oven. Oop. Place our fish a bit more. It's hot. Be very careful. Yes. Pour these over our fish. Okay. There you go. A bit more lemon, just in case people like it more sour. There we are. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I'm sweaty all over. I hope this is going to be nice. Okay, make sure we dip the bottom bit because they're full of the goodness. Look at it, the goodness of olive oil. Okay, if you notice the vermicelli, the spaghetti, or the pasta is very intact. You know, it's not broken in small pieces, so it's just perfect. A dollop there. Wow, look at the fish. Look at this fish. Okay. Oh my God. That's perfect. Okay. There's a lot of lemon in there, so this is going to be a bit sour. Okay, let's try. It's really good. It is just right. There's not too much spices. There's not too much garlic. There's a lot and a lot of olive oil, making it very, very moist. The pasta is cooked to perfection, so it's not overcooked, it's not undercooked, it's just right. Nice. Let's try the fish. I'm never going to love this. Oh my God! I'll take the. My wife said, faster. She wants to eat as well. You know, she doesn't want to be in the video, cause look at that. Oh. Perfecto. Okay, guys, try it out. Very simple recipe, and I'm sure you like it. If you like it, subscribe, share, and like. Bon appetito.